2013, we were the state fund of Arizona for workers' compensation. So as we privatized, that opened up new opportunities for us in the West. And so our desire, our strategy was to become a regional mutual carrier for the Western states, 8 to 10 states. So as we looked forward to a partner that could help us in expanding into other commercial lines of business, we were in essence a 93-year-old startup. So it put us in a very different, and in a position where we needed to catch up and catch up quickly. We took a very disciplined approach, did a lot of due diligence around product offerings and platforms. We were also, I think, realistic about our capabilities in terms of underwriting discipline around other commercial lines of business. So what attracted us and what was a key differentiator for us was the amount of built-in workflow, best practices, and in particular ISO from a rating and a forms regulatory perspective, because those were areas that we had assessed ourselves as having some weaknesses, so we were looking for a partner that had some strengths. Well, Majesco had two key characteristics that we were looking for. In addition to excellence within the commercial space, we were specifically looking for speed to market and a cloud-based offering. So those two were additional key differentiators, and those have been very much strengths in the relationship. This represented this implementation. It was a 15-month implementation. We implemented 5 lines of business with some additional coverages that were customized. So what this meant for our company was realization of a true business transformation for us. So we had to do it in a quick fashion, and it was a very successful launch, and we have production business immediately on the platform. So a lot of pent-up demand, which was rewarding, you know, in terms of the value proposition that we bring to the community. Majesco, there are several things. Majesco as a company is really wanting to build a long-term relationship. I think they're very accessible. I think they're very innovative, and I think they do a pretty good job of listening to their customers. For certainly their expertise, speed to market, their flexibility, and I think they can be a really good partner. The disruption that is imminent in the insurance industry, and I think Majesco will be a good partner, a good leader for us, and good resource for us to tap into to help us on our journey.